amnesty. No amnesty.
There you go.
Stop the illegals. Video. Anything to say about today's event?
Close the border.
Close the border. Secure the borders, right?
Secure the border.
Yep.
For the right.
Huh?
Thanks for the right to protest.
That's right. That's right. Freedom. Freedom of speech.
Justice.
Yeah. Justice for all. Except for the illegals. They have justice in their own country.
Right.
Yeah, that's right. Stop reloading. That's right. Secure the border. Leah, anything to say about the border crisis?
I say finish the damn fence.
Yeah.
It was started. We need to get it done. It's our responsibility to Americans that we not let gang members, Islamic extremists, people with communicable diseases across our borders without being properly vetted. The lamestream media made a big mistake getting behind Barack Obama for president and not vetting him properly. This is what happens when you don't have somebody in the White House who is equipped to handle the job. We can't take care of the world. We can't babysit for everybody around the world. Americans are going hungry. Children are hungry in this country. Homeless numbers are out of control. Our veterans are losing their benefits. They're dying waiting for health care. Yet the biggest plus of this presidency was Obamacare. Then why are people dying? Why are people losing their insurance? We need to take care of Americans first. Then let's be humanitarians.
Thank you, Leah.
There was a guy over there. You're a bunch of fucking racists. Like 3/4 of us are from America.